Right, if your reversing light doesn't work, which is obviously required for MOTs or doing a driving test or something, the most obvious is that it is the bulb. So anyway, to test the reversing light, you turn on the ignition all the way. You don't have to start it, and then you put it into reverse, and then the reversing light should be on here. The most likely thing is the bulb, in which case you simply take a spanner, remove these two 10mm sockets and pull it out this way. You pull it straight back. Don't lever it out, or you'll break off a couple of little clips. So you pull it straight back. Check the bulb. In my case, it wasn't the bulb. If that's not working and not the problem, then it could be the fuse or the switch. And it's highly unlikely to be the fuse, so it's most likely to be the switch. So that's the next thing to test. So what you do is you go here. This is a 1.2 petrol. I'm sure I don't know where it is on other ones, but anyway, so here's obviously the battery, and under the battery, let's see if I can get it to focus on it. There is my actually new switch. And now, but first of all, we're going to test it. So first you unclip this. There's a little plastic tab. You unclip it. I've already unclipped it. Then there's another little plastic thing here which you kind of lever up and fold back and pull the wire out. Okay, and then to check that it's the switch, you take a little piece of wire which you insert into the terminals. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down. Second. Sorry, I can't do this one-handed. So, you see, I've just stuffed the wire into there. Then you go round and you see if the reversing light is working. It's working. So that way you know it's the switch. It's very easy to change the switch. You literally take a 19 millimeter spanner, sorry, 22 millimeter spanner to unscrew it, and you screw another one in. Cost me about £12 for my local place, but I'm sure you can get it cheaper online. Then you reconnect the wire. Put the cable back in here so you can clip it back in. Pick up your little thing there, don't want that to short circuit anything, and go round. And you'll see it's working. Very quick job replacing the reversing light switch on a Fiat 500 1.2 petrol. Thanks for watching.